Hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from statistics of 10th class. The question is, the following data gives the information on the observed lifetimes of 225 electrical components. Okay, the lifetime is given in the class intervals and the number of components given as frequency in this. So determine what we have to do is determine the model lifetimes of the components, the exact value, not the class interval. See, by seeing this, you can say the class interval only, but you can't say the exact lifetime. Exact lifetime we want. Okay, so let us find the solution. First, you write the given table lifetime. Let it be x. Okay, and this must be taken as frequency must be taken as column 1. So here we write 6 columns. Okay, 2, third column, fourth column, fifth column, and sixth column. Okay, so first for x we have to write the class intervals 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. Okay, okay, let it be. Don't draw the lines like this. Okay, so first take the frequency for the column 1. Okay, 0 to 20 is 10, 20 to 40 is 35, 40 to 60 52, 60 to 80 61, 80 to 100 38, and 100 to 120 29. Now coming to column 2, column 3, column 4, 5 and 6, we are having some steps to follow the frequencies for these remaining columns. So if you coming to second column of this, what you have to do is first 2 frequencies must be added, that is 45, and right in the middle next 2. This must not be, these 2 must not be done, ma. These 2 over. Next these 2, 2 plus 1 3, 5 plus 6 11. Okay, next these 2 must be added, 9 plus 8 17, 1 6. So in these 2, sorry, first you have to take the highest frequency in the column 1, that is 61. Okay, keep it like that. Now in the second column, till we find in those 3 frequencies what is the highest one, that is 130, 113. So keep it aside. Next in third column, what you have to do is you have to, so for the third column what we will do is leave the first one and add the first 2, next 2. Okay, what you will get, 87. Okay, in the third column here you have to write 87. Between these 2 you can write, you can understand, that means these 2 added, you got this in that way. Next these 2 you have to add, which you will get how much, 8 plus 1 9, 6 plus 3 9. So in these 2 you are having highest value 99. Okay, next coming to column 4, we have to add these 3, 5 2 plus 5 7 plus 0 7, and 5 3 8 1 9, that is 97 for these 3, fourth column. Next these 3 you have to add for the remaining. So 9 plus 1 10, 18, 8 and 1 carry forward, 7 3 10 to 12, 128. So in these 2 which one is the greater one, 128 again. Okay, next coming to column 5, what you have to do, so for the column 5, what we have to do is we have to add these 3. Okay, you skip the first one in the 10. Okay, then you have to add these 3. What you will get? 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8, and 3, 5, 8, 6, 14. So 148. This is the highest one in this. Next, coming to sixth column. Sixth column, what we have to do? Leave the first 2 and remaining 3 must be added. So 2 plus 8, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 and 1 carry forward. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 3, 15. So 151. This one is the highest one in this column. Okay, after doing this process, what you have to take? Analysis table. We call it as analysis table. So here left side we'll write the columns. First column, second column, third column, fourth, fifth and sixth. Okay, and here the class intervals, that is 0 to 20. Wait, 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. Now after preparing this table, what we have to do? Just see the first column. In the first column, what we are having the highest? 61. That is 60 to 80 column. So put 1 bar for 60 to 80 column, first column, and 60 to 80 interval. So 1 bar, you take 1 bar here. Okay, you draw 1 bar here. Next, coming to second column, which one is highest? 113 is the highest. So when you got 113, if you add these two, right? If you add these two, you got 113. So in this, what you are having? 50 to 61, that is 40 to 60 in the second column and 60 to 80 also in the second column. Understood? Only the highest column values you have to take. Based on that, you specify the class intervals. Okay, in the third column, you are having 99. So when you add these two, you got 99. So what are the class intervals? 60 to 80. In third column, 1. Next, 80 to 100 in third column, 1 bar. Okay, next coming to fourth column, means this column. In that 128 is highest. So which here these 3. If you add these 3, you got 128. So take all the 3 class intervals. 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. Okay. Next coming to fifth column. Fifth column is 148. So 148 is nothing but here if you add these 3. Okay. 20 to 40 in fifth one. 40 to 60, 60 to 80. Next one is in the sixth column you are having 151. 151 means this you will get 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Okay, this is analysis table for which one you got the highest frequency, that you have to check. Okay, so which one got you highest here? 60 to 80 class interval. This is the highest. So from this information we can find mode. We are having a formula for that, that is L plus small f minus f1 by 2f minus f1 minus f2 into h. Okay, here before in the table we got which one class interval highest? 60 to 80. So in this you have to take the lower frequency L equals to 60. Understood? This we got highest, right? This we got highest. In this, what is the lower class interval? 60. Next, coming to capital F. What is the frequency here? 61. Next, coming to F1 must be the before 1. The highest frequency before 1, you have to take F1. Next, F2. It must be after the highest one. 61 after what is there? 38 is the F2. And next, coming to H is class interval 0 to 20, 20 to 40. How much interval is here? 20. Now substitute these values in this formula. You will get the exact mode in the given data. So mode is equals to L is 60 plus F is 61 minus F1 is 52 by 2F. 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38 into 20. Okay, which is equals to 60 plus 61 minus 52 is nothing but 9 by this is 120. 122 minus 52 minus 38 into 20, which is equals to 60 plus 9 by 2 minus 2 0. Okay, let it be 122 minus 10 9. So 90, which is equals to 60 plus 9 by 2 minus 0 2, 12 minus 9 3. Okay, into 20 I forgot, into 20. So here you can cancel 4 5s 4 8s, which is equals to 60 plus 4 5s 9 5s 45 by 8. If you take if you divide this 8 45 8 5s 40, 5 remains 0.0 8 6 48. This becomes 2 and again 0, 8 2 16. This remains 4 point and here 0, 8 5s 40 and a 0. So this is the coefficient. So here what you can do, 60 plus 5.625, which is equals to 65.625. Okay. If the class intervals are given like this, exact value you can't know. You can take only the class interval given for the highest frequency. But if we want the exact value between this class interval, we have to use this formula and we can find the exact value for the mode. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.